What's up YouTube, boy G here, back in another video. So today we're going to review this quickly, right? If you can see that, this is a new clip-on type, right, earphones from SOUNDPEATS. So shout out to our friends over SOUNDPEATS for sending this out. This is a new product that they just released this August, right? But I've been using this for a couple of weeks now, and I'm going to show you the unboxing experience as well. But this is amazing, right? This is very loud. Something different that I noticed on traditional, right, or other pop clip, or sorry, other, particularly the previous pop clip and other clip-on earbuds, that they're not really loud. So when you go to gym and the gym is playing ridiculous like loud sounds, right, it's just going to drown. But not this one. For some reason, even if it's clip type like that, if you notice, it's extremely loud. So when I'm like playing music around 60-70%, it's actually drowning the outside music, right? So it's amazing. And this version that they released, the Pop Clip2, super bassy. That's my dog, by the way, Cookie. Super bassy. I think that's the biggest difference, right, of this version to the original one. This is extremely bassy. I don't know how they've done that on a pop clip like this, or a clip-on type earbuds. Looks like this, right? Very, very simple, very, very light, but it's extremely bassy. So that is your speaker, and then this is your battery. But yeah, it's actually amazing. So let's go ahead and unbox it so I can show you what it really looks like. Quick unboxing, right? So as you can see there, it says Pop Clip 2. This is again from SOUNDPEATS, right? Let's go ahead and remove the plastic right here. High-res audio, wireless, of course, LDAC, and it looks like that, right? So let's go ahead and open it up right now. 12mm dynamic driver and 42 hours play time, right? So that is with the case. It's adding that up, so you can quickly just put it in and charge it, and you don't even have to worry from the left and right, it will automatically detect which one it is, so it doesn't really matter if you put them in the other way around. So just some paperwork, not really important, but you do have your paperwork if you're into that. User guide, of course, and you have some stickers as well, right? Fancy stickers here from SOUNDPEATS, so if you want to put that in your case or somewhere you fancy, you've got that covered. All right, so starting to show here, it's actually very small, right, compared to the Pop Clip 1, right? The case is pretty good. For the included cable here, you do have your Type-C, into A, and you don't have earbuds or anything because, again, this is just a clip-on earbud, right? So you're not gonna need any tip, right? Any silicone tips or whatsoever. That's really the good, the benefit, right, on clip-on earbuds like this. So let's see, they start the show here again. SOUNDPEATS, right in the front. Material is really good. It's kind of like a matte black, right? Rubbery matte black. So it's not going to be slippery. And you do have your USB Type-C there for charging. Doesn't have wireless charging, right? So just normal USB, some LED or an LED in front, and very, very small, right? Very, very pocketable. So once you open it, it looks like this, glossy material, so for easy cleaning, maintenance. Huge batteries there, if you notice, right? And then your actual speaker that has huge grills as well, huge opening. So that, I believe, helps on the bass, right? Because the bass really looks or sounds amazing. But yeah, SOUNDPEATS, it has some plastic. Let me go ahead and remove that. Okay, so let's go ahead and pair this so that we can test it right away. Open it up, have to remove the plastic and scan. As you can see, it's popping up as SOUNDPEATS Pop Clip 2. So let's just select that. Very easy. It says pair. So just click on pair here so we can pair it up. So let me play some Spotify for myself here. Just listen real quick how it sounds. Oh my God. What? Oh, wow. How is this possible? Oh, wow. What? I'm not even... This is very loud. Oh, wow. Okay. Ooh. Oh my God. Sorry, I'm getting surprised whenever I play it. Wow. Wow. Okay. What? How is this so bassy, bro? What? It's very bassy for a clip-on. It's weird. All right, some bass drop. Let's see. Talkative. This is bass boosted, right? I mean, it's even in the title. Bass boosted 2026. All right. Volume is about 70% or 50 only. Okay. Oh my God. Whoo. Yeah. Whoa. Wow. That is amazing. Hold up. I need to stop. I'm already enjoying it so much. Oh my God. They went ham on this. My God. They how are they able to do that? So the sound of this is very, very good, right? The circle, it's round like a kind of like a little pebble there. So it goes right on your ear, right on the top of your ear, on just the right outside your ear canal, right? So it's not gonna get inside, but then all of the sound coming from this are just straightly targeted to your ear canal. And for some reason, they made this so bassy. Is it? I don't know. It's so bassy. I think it's even bassy than my Aero clip, right? I do have an Aero clip from a competitor, but this is very, very bassy and it's extremely loud. I'm just on 50% earlier, but it's already super loud right now. Granted, around 80%, it's kind of annoying already to my ear because it's very loud. It's too loud, and the sound quality is better or best around 70% or 60% like this. So let me go ahead and listen a little bit more. Well, even the vocals are so loud, so clear. Wow, this is amazing. I'm gonna stop it there because I'm enjoying so much. I did not expect that it's going to be this good. For a clip-on device, the bass is so much, right? For a clip-on, it's actually so much bass, and I'm gonna test that first, right? Because I'm probably just hyping up, myself, because I'm surprised. So I'm going to use this extensively for a couple of weeks, bringing to gym, right? Because this is a clip-on device or a clip-on type of headset. So if you're in the gym and they're very, very loud there, if they're playing some music on their own, it might drown the music here. So I'm going to test that first so I can provide you my overall thoughts for that. All right, I'm going to test the microphone as well and give you some samples so you can, of course, hear it. All right, let me go ahead and test the microphone, right? So right now you're hearing my voice on this microphone. I'm just capturing this using this one so you can hear it. It's pretty loud here. There's construction outside, but I'm in my office right now. But again, I can really hear a lot of like hammering and grinding outside. So let me know if you can actually hear that, right? If it's canceling or it's pretty good. Now, this is again the microphone coming from this. This is your usual setup, right? You're going to use this on your video call and whatnot. But this is the microphone quality from the SOUNDPEATS Pop Clip 2. All right, overall thoughts for this Pop Clip 2. Ridiculous offering, right? For the price, you're getting an amazing clip-on earbud and a really strong battery, if you notice. And again, I've been saying this before. Once you use a clip-on type earbuds, you're not going to you're never going back on traditional earbuds or earphones that sticks inside your your earbuds, right? It's not going to be good. So this Pop Clip 2 from SOUNDPEATS is really amazing. Again, for the price, you're getting so much bass, right? Really, really good sound quality. And I love that it lasts longer, right? Lasts longer than other earbuds that I have. So yeah, this is a Pop Clip 2. For its price, it's a steal. Shout out again to our friends over SOUNDPEATS for creating, right, continuously creating competitive, right, and quality products like this. I hope you make more, because this is a banger, right? This Clip 2 is really good. But that's all for today, guys. Let me know down in the comments below if you have any questions, any suggestions. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. But that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe and see you on my next one. Peace.